Katie and I'm here at Millview Garden Centre. I've been working here now for about 12 years. I'm the daughter of the founder Colin Dallymore and Frank Dallymore, who started the business back in the 1950s just by selling veg from the back of their garage. Their passion for gardening grew and they built a small shop to showcase their produce. After their humble beginnings, my father then decided to start growing plants, and it's progressed from there into what Millview is today. Our opening hours are Monday all the way through to Sunday for the garden centre, which is 9 till 5, 10 till 4 on a Sunday. We're a small family independent business. We grow quite a lot of our own produce, so we grow our own bedding plants, our own vegetable plants, and also a lot of our perennials, which makes us quite unique to other garden centres, which means that we can be competitive with prices. We built the coffee shop about 8 years ago, which is the building that you see now, which has also got our shop in it too. We're pretty famous for our full English breakfasts, which are really, really popular. And Hayley, our cook, who does lovely cakes and scones. We're also dog friendly, so we welcome dogs up here on Leeds all the time. The cafe is open from Tuesday to Sunday. Tuesday to Saturday is from 9 till 2. We serve our menu throughout the day, so you can get a full English any time from 9 until 2. On the Sundays it starts at 10 till 2. We also do toasties, soups and specials, fish finger sandwiches, scampi and chips, all the coppers you could think of. We get all our meat, sausages, ham, bacon, all from the local butchers, so we like to support locally when we can. Friendly, independent, good value for money.